This is lesson 50 in Saxon's Algebra 1/2, second edition book, and fractional part of a number and fractional equations. Alright, fractional part of a number is something that's a review for you. We know that this box represents one whole, but if we break this box up into 6 equal pieces, each one of those boxes inside is equal to 1/6. Alright, and here I have shaded 2 of those boxes, so 2/6 of this whole is shaded. Alright, so this is the whole. Alright, if I say that this whole box is equal to 180, and I split it into these 6 equal pieces, each being 1/6, then I know that 180 divided by 6, each one of these boxes is going to be equal to 30. And the 2 boxes that I've shaded, 2/6 of 180 is going to be 30 plus 30, which is 60. So I can say 2/6 of 180 is 60. Alright, let's take words and what they mean, because in fractional equations you take these words and they stand for something, and in your book it says f times of equals is, and f is the fraction and of and is are the 2 numbers. Okay, so what fraction? Of means times, 75 is means equals 25. Alright, to find out, I'm going to have to solve this equation. Well, I've got f has been multiplied by 75, so I'm going to divide by 75 on both sides, and then I get f is equal to 25 over 75, which if I divide both by 25, I'm going to get 1/3. So 1/3 of 75 is 25. Alright, let's write this out into an equation. 5/7 of what number is 5 over 2? Alright, what operation do we have here? I've got multiplication. To undo that, I have to do division. To divide this fraction, I have to flip it upside down and multiply. Now, whatever I did on this side, which is this, I have to do the very same thing on this side to keep it equal. So here I can see that these are all going to cancel each other out, which is what I wanted, leaving me with n. And here, these 2 can cancel each other out, so my answer is just going to be left to be 7 over 2, or 3 1/2. Let's do another one. 5/7 of 5 over 2 is what number? Now in this one, all I have to do is do the math. Okay, I can't cross cancel anywhere. So 5 times 5 is 25, and 7 times 2 is 14. And I'd say probably just leave that, instead of reducing it, just leave it as 25 over 14. Okay, practice problems, just doing more of the same. What fraction of 20 is 140? To solve this equation, I have to get rid of this 20. I have to do the opposite of multiplication, which is division, and I have to do it on both sides of the equal. This is going to cancel itself out, leaving f by itself, which is what I wanted. And then if I divide 140 by 20, it's actually like saying 14 divided by 2 is 7. Alright, B, 7/5 of what number is 3/8. Alright, now in this one, I've got multiplication. So to undo multiplication, I have to do division. And when I'm dividing a fraction, I use the reciprocal and multiply. And whatever I did here, I've got to do the very same thing here to keep it equal. And these cancel each other out, leaving me with n equals, and then I just do the multiplication. 3 times 5 is 15, 8 times 7 is 56, and that will not reduce. Alright, and then finally C, 5/13 of 26 is what number? Let's make this a fraction, and when I do, I see that I can cross cancel, and that becomes a 1, and that's a 2, and then I just do my multiplication. 5 times 2 is 10. So 5/13 of 26 is 10. Good job, and good luck on your practice set, your 30 problems. I will see you back here for lesson 51.